carpas para la gente, para los niños, porque todos estamos en intemperie acá.
Necesitamos comida más para los niños y para los ancianos abrigos.
To the Church of the Redeemer family, to the churches that are helping us here in Peru, we want to say thank you for the help in the earthquake that you're giving to us. I'm here right now with Dr. Garcia Beleunde. Yeah, he is the Secretary of State of Peru, who has been traveling with us to some of the areas that are affected. And I just wanted to have you say a word to the people that are helping the people in Peru, some of the needs that you've seen on this trip that we've taken today.
First of all, I would like to thank you, all of you, because you have been very helpful and in a very speedy way, I would say. The earthquake was yesterday evening. This morning I was with Dr. Robert Barriger here in Cañete, which is one of the areas affected by the earthquake. And well, we have been helping these people. Thank you to the provision that you have sent to us, and we are trying to alleviate the suffer of them at this very moment.
Porque ella pesa demasiado. Nosotros lo que queremos es que nos apoyen, pañales, frazada, colchón y su leche. Eso es lo que queremos, que nos apoyen a nosotros.
Un favor, señorita, yo quiero ayuda para mi nieta porque tiene 16 años y ella no puede sentar, no puede caminar, no come nada. Uno tiene que hacer comer, señorita. Día y noche utiliza pañal también. Día y noche tiene que estar junto con ella, señorita. Mi hija no puede trabajar nada por cuidar a ella. Por favor.